Hi, my name is Cal, and today we are building an awesome master track of one of those mummies that you know. So, on this table, we are gonna have like a high system, like maybe an air tunnel. Nope, that's gonna be under here. The air tunnel, I think the air tunnel, we're actually gonna have, I think, so right here is the main supports. We have a lot of hills for trains. We just need the shock wire. And that won't go all the way, so I gotta find something else to elevate it, which we will probably come down on a hill, which I don't think will work at all. But, so, I guess we'll do, like, solo it. Like, put this tunnel in solo. Like, I need to find, like, a flatter tunnel. Like, that will, like, slide under. And, like, let us, like, be in here. I'm just gonna slide it, like, in. Through. And like if I could, I would want to like give it some more room for this to happen, but so here we go. So we are gonna be coming in on the top, on this rail. So we need to find a high support. We have these green ones that are amazing. They're pretty cool. You can like use them and they just get you wherever. This might be the trick. And I have another. I have a lot of supports, but I just want to say that, like, these supports, like, are the best. I need to find one that can bounce this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unplug that one. Okay, here we go. This. Let's see. Okay, so now we have to put that in. It's a lot of trouble doing this. Oh, shucks. I just need to level it out a little. Sometimes I get mad at when stuff doesn't work, which you shouldn't be mad at. I include some more information of like, I need some more information about like master tracks, because I'm like right now at how good at a builder. I'm maybe like in the mid 50s or 60s at building these kind of master tracks.
Where do you want to be? What's your goal to get to if you're at the mid 50s or 60s?
The goal is to just try to like
Well, if you're at the mid 50s to 60s, where are you trying to get? What number are you trying to get to as a master track builder?
Well, no, I just want people to give me hints because I'm not.
Oh, I gotcha. Because you feel like you're at a level 50 or 60, so you need hints. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, like, maybe you suggest when you don't have flat enough surfaces, you should, like, use train tracks to, like, flat support a little.
Seems to make sense.
Okay? So now, the thing we need is this station right here. Which we will say 2, 3 supports. Is this gonna work? I have 2 of the same kind. And I am going to do what's best. Okay? So, now I only need 2 more hills. I might already be out of hills. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm glad. Phew. That would have been a shame. What do I need